Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to give you a guide on the current farming options for xDollar. In Chapter 1, we're going to tell you about the xUSD-Matic pairs right on the xDollar platform. And in Chapter 2, we're going to tell you about the xUSD-DFYN pair right on DFYN Network. You can skip ahead at any time to pick the pair of your choosing. And when we have more pairs in the future that become available, I'm going to be making videos covering those pairs as well. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so open up your MetaMask browser. Go to xDollar.fi. Make sure you're logged into the Matic mainnet. If you don't know how to do that, I have another video that will show you how to do so. Click Use xDollar. Go to Enter App. Click this little hamburger button here, that's what I call it. Go to the farm. Here you will see the xUSD and Matic pool. So for starters, you're going to click this button here to obtain your LP tokens. It takes you over to SushiSwap because that's who provides the tokens. And you're going to see Matic and xUSD. Side note, if you don't have any xUSD, you can simply swap Matic for it here on SushiSwap. Put in the amount of xUSD you'd like to stake, and then make sure you have an equal amount of Matic. Then approve your xUSD. Looks like it's complete in the transaction. And you confirm it. This is going to add your liquidity. Confirm supply. You'll see that you have a 0.45% supply of the pool, which means you'll get a high amount of fees, trading fees. Confirm supply. Confirm your gas. Now you just gotta wait again. Alright, now it looks like our LP tokens have been created. The transaction's complete. If you want to track your positions at any time, you can just go to SushiSwap and view your liquidity positions. And you'll see that Matic xUSD is there. I can click Manage and view all the details on that. I can also add and remove those LPs at any time after I've successfully unstaked them from xDollar. So after those LPs are made, you simply just go back to the xDollar platform, put in the amount you'd like to stake. I'm going to do the max amount, approve it. Looks like the transaction's complete. And now you just confirm it. Put in your gas. If you happen to have any slow transactions, which I've been a little congested today, I just up the gas price a little. Tends to go a lot faster. Alright, now that it is complete, we just simply refresh it. It should come up. There we go. We see that our stake is successfully completed. We can view our rewards at any time. Push this button if you want to adjust and add more LPs after you've added them on SushiSwap, or if you want to remove them. And that pretty much sums up the Matic xUSD pool. In the next chapter, we're going to show you how to do the xUSD-DFYN pair. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so for Chapter 2, we're going to head over to exchange.DFYN Network. You'll get to this page here. Remember, to do this farm, you'll have to have DFYN tokens as well as xUSD tokens. So first off, you'll go over to Farms, then Dual Farms, which Dual Farms means that not only will you earn XDO rewards, but you will also earn DFYN at the same time. So I like it a lot. So first you click on Add xUSD-DFYN Liquidity. You go ahead and combine those two tokens. I'm going to put the max amount in. and click supply, confirm supply. I'm gonna bump up my gas a little, confirm, add DFYN LP to your MetaMask. Okay, now that the transaction's complete, go back up to farms, dual farms, click on the xUSD-DFYN again. Now you go to deposit LP tokens. This will now tell you the estimated amount of DFYN and XDO you'll receive on a daily basis. Approve it. Click deposit. Put in your gas. Confirm. Now your transaction's complete. Now at any time, just refresh the screen. Anytime you can check on your rewards. Looks like it's all in there now. I've already begun earning both. Anytime you want to claim, you can either hit the claim button or you can withdraw it and go back to your pool. And you'll always see them in here. After you withdraw it, you can always add and remove down here. You'll see remove here where it says manage liquidity. But yeah, that sums up the DFYN dual farming. Stay tuned for future farming drops. I will release videos as those become available. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day.